You ever find yourself in the situation when you're doing your math homework or your math worksheets and you just can't figure out a problem? Your notes aren't making any sense either. So what do? You go to the internet, type in your problem, look up a couple of videos, but all the techniques they use are weird and don't make sense either. So what are we going to do? Well, it seems like I'm just going to have to get a F on this one. It's a real bummer. But wait, Valencia, they have the math center. But how does it work? Well, it's pretty simple. Step 1, you're going to need your Valencia ID. I can do that. Well, what's next? Check in. Okay. And then we're going to have to choose a desk or a computer. Pretty simple. I'll probably go with the desk. Next is we'll get our help flag. This flag can be used to draw the attention of the local tutors. And then after that, you are all set. Let's go test it out. So as you can see, we're out here at Valencia East Campus, and that is Building 4. It's the location of the Math Center. Math Center is going to be located on the first floor, right as you walk into the computer area. And as you walk in, it'll be on your right. Here at the Math Center, you can ask questions to people that have already completed the course that you've taken. Let's go ahead and get our step 1, our ID, and let's check in. Let's see how this process goes. So as you can see, the gentleman behind me to my left is receiving his flag. She's pointing in the direction of where he'd like to sit. I currently just checked in. After you scan your ID, there are a couple of steps you have to take. First, you need to select your course, your professor, what you're doing, as in like your homework, and then you can go ahead and sign in. I have now received my flag, and I chose to go to a desk instead of a computer because I have my own laptop. These tables are very nice. You have plenty of room. You can plug in your phone or your laptop if you need to. I'm going to grab one more thing that's a useful tool here at the Math Center, and that would be a dry erase board. They have markers and towels for you to clean it off with. This is useful because if you don't want to use a lot of paper, then you're all set to go. Now let's look into getting a calculator. I don't have money for a calculator. You may not either. Well, let's say you're coming in, take a test that day, and you realize you forgot it. Well, here you can check out a calculator for about 4 hours with simply just using your ID. At the end of those 4 hours, you can simply come back and renew it. It's a great tool to take advantage of here at Valencia. And remember, you must have your Valencia ID to check out items. Right now, we're headed down to a place where you can check out a graphing calculator for free for a whole semester. You just have to sign up beforehand. It'll be located in the math department, once again in Building 7. This is personally what I chose to do, and it has been really helpful, as I have all the privileges as someone else that owns a graphing calculator without having to spend the $200. So again, it's right here with all these arrows in Building 7, room 142. The final and most vital part of my academic achievement so far this year has been the Supplemental Learning Center. It's on the second floor of Building 4 inside the library. A lot of you probably never even knew it existed. You just walk into a library, take a book, take a left at where the bookshelves are, and it'll take you right to the Supplemental Learning Center. Room 216 in Building 4. Process is simple. They have plenty of tables and dry erase boards for tutors to teach you on. This is available only for certain classes with certain professors. Currently I'm in a trigonometry class that has this great privilege of where we get to have our own personal tutor after our class, who has already completed the class with that same exact professor. This is helpful because the tutor knows the teaching style and has a copy of the lesson plans himself. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you learned how to achieve the academic math goals you have while also using all the tools available. Thank you for your time.